Hey everybody, how's it going? So hopefully y'all are being safe and socially distancing like we need to be doing at this time. I'm gonna send a quick little video here and kind of talk about a couple quick things. Um, so I don't know what it's like on your guys' side. I've been getting a little bit of replies from students and some messages on the stress level, and I get that. Um, from my side, this is a weird semester, obviously. I don't feel like I'm getting to know you guys very well. I feel like very few are reaching out for help, which is a little bit of a concern for me. And I just want to let you guys know that please feel free, like you can go out and reach out and help, get help from me. I have been Zooming with a few students, and but I don't feel like I get to meet and talk to you guys on a daily basis like obviously I used to or would have. So please feel free to text me anytime you need it. And uh, you could text me and just let me know if something funny or cool is going on. I used to hear those stories in class all the time too, and I don't feel like I'm getting any of those, which is no fun. One of the reasons I like teaching college students is because you guys have hilarious stories that happen to you and get yourselves in all kinds of situations. So feel free to share those with me as well. I don't have anything cool going on. I get it. We're in lockdown, so what cool stuff is going to be going on right now? But feel just know that you can reach out to me for any help that you might need or anything else that's going on. A couple of quick things about today's videos. I got good news and bad news. And since I already know my students, I know y'all want the bad news first, right? Um, we disagree on that. I think good news should always come first, but okay. So good news and bad news. The bad news is, yep, there are some videos that are coming today. So I got this video here, and then there'll be one more video that actually has the lesson in it. But the good news is this. So what you guys want to, hopefully you're still stuck around and listening to this video. The good news is there's not going to be any written work that goes along with today's lesson. So today's lesson, there'll be some problems to do inside the assignment that, I have you pause and then you solve. And then that's the only work that I'm going to have you upload. But what I would really like for you to do is please do pause the video, do your work, and then restart the video and see the lesson. Don't just go, oh yeah, sure, I'm quote pausing, and then you don't actually pause it. You just, do it along with me. You will learn better if you make your own mistakes. That way you can highlight in your notes what you thought was right versus what's actually correct. So if you don't actually ever test yourself and challenge yourself in that way, then you won't learn the max you possibly can out of the video. So you'll see there's a few times throughout the video where I have this big red words that says do this and turn it in. So that's the point. I want you to pause the video, do what you think, then restart the video. You'll go through the lesson, and then perhaps you can go back and change your answer afterwards. But I want to see your original answer and then any way that you may have changed the answer. So anyways, that's it. Hopefully you guys are being safe and healthy, and the workload you guys are being asked to do isn't too terribly high. If you are having stressed out times, oh, by the way, what I should mention is one reason that I'm not giving a separate assignment for tonight is because I know you have other things due for me on Sunday. So you could work on those other projects that aren't specifically lesson related, but you can work on those projects and get those turned into me on Sunday. And then we have plenty of time to practice the lesson that I'm teaching today. So anyways, as stuff comes up in other classes and you feel totally stressed out, like you have a lot of work to do, please communicate with me. I'm willing to try and work with you guys the best I possibly can. Okay, hopefully I'll be hearing from you soon, either good, funny stuff that's happening around your life, or even stuff that you need help on in my classes or whatever I can do to help. Okay, happy coronavirus, people.